Hey sweeties, today we're baking the most irresistibly moist and buttery Kentucky butter cake. Grab your apron and meet me in the kitchen. Let's start by whisking together our dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt until well combined. Then set aside. Let's cream the softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. About 5 minutes on medium should do the trick. Remember, room temperature is key. This will ensure a smoother batter and a fluffier cake, so plan ahead. Next up, the eggs. Add them on low, one at a time, beating well after each addition. I usually beat for about 20 seconds before I add the next egg. Then a splash of vanilla extract for that sweet aromatic kick. Gradually add in your dry ingredients in thirds to the butter mixture, alternating with half of the buttermilk. Always beginning and ending with your dry mix. It's all about balance, folks, and it's science. I've already preheated my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've halved this recipe for this video. So I've opted for two 6-inch mini bundt pans, which I've generously greased with my very own cake pan release recipe. I will leave that in the description box along with this full recipe. Pour that batter into your prepared pan, smoothing the top like you're tucking it into bed, and into the oven it goes until a toothpick comes out clean. Patience, my friends, is a virtue. Now, while our cake bakes, let's make the butter sauce. Melt butter in a saucepan with sugar, water, and a dash of vanilla. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes, stirring along the way. Now on to the fun part. Take your warm cake, still in the pan, and poke it all over with a skewer or fork. Then drench it with that butter sauce. It's like the cake is drinking up all that buttery goodness, making it incredibly moist. Now let it cool in the pan before flipping. It'll absorb every drop of that butter sauce. This is also a test to how well you greased your pan. Oh no, now we're not done. Let's make a butter glaze for the top of the cake. So melt some butter, whisk in powdered sugar, buttermilk, and vanilla until smooth and creamy. Then we'll drizzle it all over our cool cake. It's like the crown on top of our masterpiece. This is one of my absolute favorite classic Southern recipes. What about you? What's your favorite Southern style dessert? Share it in the comments of this video. And there you have it, the star of the show, a Kentucky butter cake. Slice it up, serve it, and watch everyone's eyes light up with the first bite. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Here's to many more sweet moments in the kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, and until next time, happy baking.